On the opening night of the World Games 2025 Chengdu, an internationally renowned children's choir from Utah, USA, One Voice, took to the world stage alongside children's choirs from multiple countries, using their rousing voices to sing a song about friendship, hope, and future.
Music really just is an art form to connect and to communicate. And even if you don't speak the language, you can still connect with people. And really, these kids are the future. And so bringing them here and helping them interact with kids from all the way around the world, you don't even have to tell them to talk to each other. And they'll go over and start to mingle. And even if they can't communicate very well, they'll find out a game they can do or a little song or melody they can sing together. And I hope it's something that they can carry with them through the rest of their lives, that no matter where they're from and what age they are, you can always relate and connect to people.
The One Voice Choir was established in the Midwestern valleys of the United States and is made up of 180 children aged 5 to 18. They have performed on Olympic stages and their music has reached various corners of the world. Their trip to China in early 2025 was a particularly unforgettable experience in their journey.
Hi, 你好. My name is Rachel Affleck, and I'm here with One Voice Children's Choir. A couple things from the last year that I came here. We went and saw the pandas, which was really fun. They were super cute. The song that we're singing in the World Games introduction is called Countless Wonders. We're waiting. We've been here for about 4 or 5 days now. I can't wait to sing with my choir. It's going to be so fun, and we'll see you there. When I came to Chengdu the first time and the second time, I feel it's different because the first time I came to is like January, so it was way colder and I didn't really get to enjoy anything. But when I came here the second time, I'm just like, wow, all the places are like so cool, and I really like this shopping. I bought this panda ring. It's like a fitter ring.
I really hope to go back there again, and I have some amazing photos of the statues. They were super pretty. I really liked performing our song on stage because the fireworks and the music is just amazing, and the soloists have amazing voices.
From their initial encounter in Chengdu at the beginning of 2025 to the Summer Valley Choir at Kulian, the children of One Voice have made their way closer to China through music, reaching the hearts of many along the way. The stories of culture, friendship, and growth are being remembered through their songs.
We signed up for this opportunity because we had heard so many incredible things about the previous choir groups that have come over to China and their experiences with the people here and the cultural experiences, and we wanted Sloan to have those experiences.
This is my first time in Chengdu. I've made friends named Jamie, Coco, and a bunch of other really amazing people. And this morning, when we came home from the mall, I went to the little birthday party in the lobby, and everyone there was so nice. The birthday girl was named Sophia, and she gave me a little reversible red panda.
This is the greatest experience that I've ever had. I really love being with other choirs. I get to make more friends. I just really would like to do this again. This is my greatest opportunity. I am so glad.
I really like this song because I think this song is about unity and how we're like all different and we live in different places and we have different backstories, but deep inside we're just like all the same. I don't think rehearsal is tiring. Well, the late nights are tiring, but it's not usually tiring while we're rehearsing because I get to have fun with my friends and I know that they're always here to support me. In the most important times, they still need me. Because like sometimes they want to like order something and then they see me and then they're like, hey, Honor, come help me. And then I'm like, sure. And then I just help them order it. I feel like kind of, even like when you're dancing or doing gymnastics, you usually do it to music, right? And that helps with like doing it in time, and I've done dance and singing like my whole life, and it's always helped me with the tempo in my dance, or just listening to, like, when we come in on the music. It's kind of counteracted.
Both sports and music are languages that transcend borders. The World Games 2025 Chengdu is not only a platform for competition, but also a grand event to showcase friendship and vibrant city life. Just as the name One Voice suggests, no matter where we come from, we can sing in harmony with one voice for the whole world.